Hello, folks. It's Destiny Rose here, and I'm on question 42 of 50, and I'm working my way down to number one. And this was a really frustrated host who wants to know just an easy way to find a cleaner for his listing because he can't seem to keep them rolling. So like a lot of hosts, it goes like that. The cleaner situation's always an issue. But when I was going around and trying to help him resolve his issue, I found a website that's up and coming. You'd have to check to see if it's available in your area, things like that. But it seems to be going really strong. And I found it through cleaners that were looking for jobs. They actually were looking for Airbnbs to clean. So that was very impressive. So there's a whole lot of people on here that are looking to clean Airbnbs. Okay. So it's growing. So what I found, I want to show you a little bit about what I found because I'm not just going to throw a website at you and say, oh, go over here, because I like to give good advice to people. So I have to do a little bit of my own due diligence before I will make a recommendation for people. I haven't tried it, but I've looked at it, okay? And I looked for good reviews, bad reviews, things like that. And I'll show you as we go through the video what people had to say about this website. But I just wanted to show you a little bit. It's called Turnover B&B. And if you click here, you can go to For Hosts. You go to For Hosts here. And if you scroll down, you can see that they automatically sync with your Airbnb calendar, which is really cool. And that they have some other key features. They have auto scheduling. They have an app. And if I have a question, I can go right here and talk to them. So that's like invaluable right there. Okay. So if I go over here, let me show you a feature here I've seen about it. It's find your next cleaner. So I'm just going to type something in here, show you all how it works. Okay. So let's take a look at what it comes up with here. Oh, okay. Look at that. There's 2 pages of cleaners in this area. Okay. And they do reviews. So they have reviews. You can go look at them, meet them. So that's really super, super cool. So it just pops you up some cleaners if they're in your area. Okay. So they've had 1,200,000 cleaning projects completed already. All right. So that's really cool. And another thing about it too is their blog is really awesome. So they have a blog here with full of information for hosts. And I looked at quite a few of these, and they're really well written, good information that I don't see elsewhere on the internet. Everywhere I see it's just the same old garbage everywhere. But on this site, I don't see the same old garbage. It's all over the internet. This particular website is pretty awesome. Now, as for its reviews, I found over here, I found on their Facebook page, this guy says it doesn't work. And Turnover B&B came out and reached out to them, and they want to help them. And that's the only bad I've seen. I see this guy says very helpful, and this guy says invaluable. This guy says, let's see, love the system. And this person said they stumbled on it. It's exactly what they need. So if you go all the way down, you're going to see nothing but nice, good things to say about Turnover B&B. So I would suggest for hosts that are looking for cleaners to go take a look around at this website, see if they can find some in their area, and see if it'll work for you and for your listing, if it would resolve your issue for you. Okay, not everything resolves everybody's issues, but anyway, so that's the gist of Turnover B&B. Look at their blog, go under the For Hosts, see if they have them in your area. You can even find them on Facebook. Okay, so that's the end of question 43. I hope you guys have a really great rest of your day, and I'll be back with question number 42 in the next few days. I hope you all have a great day, and I am over and out.